So let's look at the S&P. You guys know that I spoke last week. I set up this 5-wave structure, right? And it completed up here. And I started posting that I thought we were going to roll over, head lower. And we did, right into my support area, right down here, 3,900 area. I posted multiple charts about this coming down to this particular zone. I actually had another support zone right up here. I deleted it. But I had another horizontal right here, basically, and we came right into that and broke through it and we hit this trend line. I've got two trend lines. Here's the one we broke down from. You see the heavy bar out and the breakdown of that trend line, and we came down to the second trend line. And we've been testing it, and the market's rebounding. You see on RSI, we started to slow down, and then we reversed. If I go to a bit of a lower time frame, sorry, yawning a bit. You see right here, yeah, we're breaking through on this 4-hour chart. Why are we breaking through? Well, we had a 7, 8, and 9 come down and pause it. Then we had another 7 come in and reverse it, and we had almost a bull dip because price made a lower low, but RSI was at essentially the same level, right? It didn't make much of a lower low. So that was a bottom forming. And now we've got the market kind of creating a reversal. This day yesterday was killing premium. Okay. And this is where I closed most of my short positions. I had a lot of shorts that I opened up here and then I opened over here. Okay. I had shorts here. I even opened some here. Okay. I wasn't perfect. I opened shorts all in this area, expecting this reversal. And I closed most of my shorts here. I'm expecting a move and going in the Friday of 3,987 to 4,008 area, or maybe possibly early next week. I think right now the market is just killing premium and kind of running down these calls and puts, and just kind of killing people on both sides. That's why you get kind of a doji candle like this, right? So they ran it up on the high and they ran it down to the lows. This killed both sides and everyone lost money. Okay. So you can see obviously on the daily, right? We broke down. This is the breakdown. So any reversal and move higher is just a bearish retest. It's a bearish retest of this entire move, this entire bull rally. So we'll get a bearish retest. We're going to do something like this. The market's going to push up. We're going to get to either 3,990, which is 38.2 retracement, or we're going to go all the way up to even the 61.8. We can go as high as the 78.6. We could go this high, 4,060. I don't think we will. I think maximum we'll get to is around this 4,008 area. That's kind of my target. We're going to have to watch on the lower time frames when we're going to look for RSI divergence, right? So on the 1-hour chart, I want to see RSI divergence. Right now, we don't have any. It's just kind of pushing up, right? This boop, 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 straight up. No divergence forming yet. I want to see a higher high in prices and a lower high on RSI, and then I can start loading up on more short positions to get ready for that rollover move. So what happened here, and where could we potentially go based on if we look at some Elliott wave? So Elliott wave would say that this is the first. I'm looking at this as the first down wave of a 5-wave series that will take us all the way down to complete. Let's go to a 3-day chart. So you see how even on the 3-day we rolled over. I want to see us complete this last wave of this 5-wave downside series. And I want to see us go down to 33 to 3,200. That's where my 5th wave points to. It's the only area that makes sense for this drop based on, Elliott wave principles. So that's what I'm looking for, this smaller 5th wave series to take us down to. And what we just had was the first wave of a 5-wave series. Let's go here and let's see, where could we potentially go to? So if this is our first wave, right? Traditionally, the second wave will retrace up to about 61.8, right? Between 38.22 and 61.8, this is your retracement zone. This is your zone. This is where we want to start loading up on shorts for wave C. And wave C is traditionally the biggest wave. If we reverse this, wave C can go to 2 areas. Right? This is your wave 1, all the way down to here. And wave C can go to 1.618 or it can go to 2.618. Those are your 2 areas. So if we know that, then what would our Elliott wave series kind of look like? So this is your wave 1. Wave 2 is a bounce up to here. This, let's say 4,000, I think is a good area. Probably take out this supply up here, 4,000. And wave two can last multiple days. There's no time frame on this. Okay, this could sit up here all the way until, I mean, next week we have a bunch of news, so we could sit up here for, you know, until like Tuesday next week or something like that. I think I have to pull up the Forex Factory calendar, but I think we have a couple Fed things coming out that should be the catalyst for the market. And then wave three happens. So wave three can go to 1.618. But based on these support levels, I would say we're going to go further. We're going to go down to this area, to this midpoint. I think that is wave three, and we might sit here a bit, and then we'll go all the way down to 2.618. I think that would make sense for wave three, and then we'll bounce for wave four all the way back up. You know, I think maybe this area, this will be a major support. This wave four, I'm not sure. Okay, this could go all the way up to here. It could be here. It's a big zone, and then eventually where we end up is down here. Now wave one, wave five is often the same length as wave one. So let's see, where would wave four have to end to get us down here? So wave four, yeah, so I got it right on the money. So wave four would have to go up to here to get us to this target area, 3,500, 35 to 3,400 area. You know, we'll be conservative, and we're going to say 3,500 area. But I do think they're going to want to take out these lows. Okay, I think they're going to want to take out the lows and possibly head even lower down to here.